Okay, so once you've made all three component parts, you're done. There's a good function on here, which is great to learn. It's a great skill to have, and it allows you to do a lot of technical drawing skills really easily. Okay, so we've got our 3D drawing here. We now want to convert that into these that I've been using as I've been describing. These are technical drawing pages, which obviously have an orthographic projection of it with measurements all over it, and an isometric drawing of what it looks like in 3D. Now, these are great little pages to be able to produce afterwards, to be able to put measurements on and show all the hard work that you've done. And it's a great way to show component parts. So I'm going to teach you how to do that now quickly. It's the same method for all three. So I'm just going to show you on this first one here, and then you can apply it to the other one. So when we go down here, where it says Part Studio, I'm going to go to a plus here and create a drawing. Now it's going to ask me what type. I just want a standard 1 millimeters. It's perfectly fine. Yep. Okay. Now this will open up one of those pages for me that I just showed you before. And all I'm going to do here is, yep, it's asking me what part I want to bring in. That's the part I want to bring in. So I'm going to drag this in to here. So I double clicked on it. And as you can see, there's a little ghost image of the first part. That's our front view. And as you can see, it's the front view of our launcher there. As I click here, I'm going to slowly move my mouse up. And can you see it's actually recognized that that's now my top view? So I'm going to place that there. Now I'm going to select this front view again because I'm telling it I want to produce another view off of this. And as I bring it out to the side here, can you see that? It's recognized that I want to put that to side over here. Now I'm going to tell it one more because I want to bring that all the way up here, which is now giving me that view there. Now all I'm going to do here is I'm going to add some measurements on, just like I did before. So you see all those measurements I've got on there? I'm going to go back to here. This little handle tool up here called the dimension tool, as we can see. I'm going to click my little down arrow there, gives me lots of different things there. There's different curves in this. I'm going to start off with just a standard dimension tool. Let's see, what's the first measurement I want to put on there? I want to put how, yeah, there we go, how wide the overall thing is. So I'm going to click there to there, and as I move my mouse up, there we go, 26 millimeters. What other measurements do I want on there? Yeah, the inside of the bumpers, the space on the inside, that's a good one to have. I'm going to click there, move down, 15 millimeters. What other measurements do I want here? Yep, how thick that bit is then. That's a good one. So there to there, 6 millimeters wide. Oh yeah, good. It's in line with the other one. How tall it was, I saw that one over there. On here, I want to have, yeah, 15 millimeters there. That's a good one to have. I think I've forgotten. Yeah, I didn't know how thick that bit is. There we go. Let's put that down there then. So from there to there, the thickness of each one of these parts is 3 millimeters. It's the same thickness up there, so I don't need to duplicate it. That's another one there. What other measurements I want to put on there? Oh, that's a good one. From center point of circle to center point. So from the center of the circle to the center of the other circle is a 20 millimeter gap between those two columns. That would be a good one to have. Last one here is the radius tool. Now, what I can do at this point here is I can ask it to radial dimension. There we go. Now that's telling me that curve is a radial curve of 3 mils. Obviously 3 millimeters radius is what that curve is. I think I've got all those measurements on there. That's done. You do the same process for all the other ones. That's actually saved now. I can go back to my part there, my 3D view, and that's in there. I can then download these if I want to. I can print them out. I can do whatever I want. But that is your technical drawing page with your orthographic and isometric.